And this year, our project in Kenya was an essay competition called In Their Shoes. We asked young people, what are the main challenges facing your generation? And their essays were honest, mostly related to mental health.
And as a country, I believe it is time that we have a policy framework regarding the use of social media, because it is one of the main contributors of mental health issues amongst our learners.
One of the striking things that came out was about mental illness. And this is something that we can actually urge the Ministry of Education, that our kids are ailing because they have no mentorship and they have no counseling.